Hello, this is the unboxing and review of the Lebice Ice Popsicle Maker. Inside the box we have a funnel. We have 6 popsicle makers, 3 yellow, 3 lime green, 1 brush, 1 tray, and the instructions. On the back of the instructions are also a few recipes, which is nice. So it's pretty straightforward. You just take the molds, set them in the tray, you fill them, then you put the top on, and then after the top's on, you set them in the freezer for 6 hours until they freeze. So I'm going to try the ice pop maker with different things. I'm going to try V8 Splash Strawberry Banana Smoothie, V8 Splash Tropical Colada Smoothie, yogurt, Oreos Cookies and Cream Pudding, plus I'm also going to make a strawberry milkshake and fill the other 2 containers. Okay, so I went ahead and washed the containers, made the milkshake, and made the Oreos Cookies and Cream Pudding. One thing I did notice while pushing these in is that when you push them in, they kind of bow in the center. I wish there was a support in the center on the bottom, that way when you did push it in, it did not bow. So the first thing I'm going to pour is pudding. So it was a bad idea to use a funnel with the pudding. The pudding is too thick to go through. I'll have to just spoon it in directly. The next container I'm going to fill up is with yogurt. As you can tell, the yogurt is also thick just like the pudding, so I'm just going to spoon it in directly without the funnel. Now I'm going to try one of the V8 Splash smoothie mixes. Since it's a liquid, I'm going to go ahead and use the funnel. It went pretty easy with the funnel. I can say it helped. Now I'm going to go for the Tropical Colada. You can't go too fast when pouring these, else you run the risk of overfilling. With the last 2 containers, I'm going to go for the homemade strawberry milkshake. Now that they're all filled, I'm going to put the lids on, then stick them in the freezer. This is where it would be helpful if there was that support in the bottom. Now that the tops are on, I'm going to stick them in the freezer for a while and see how they turn out. I've had the popsicle mold in the freezer for several hours now, so everything should be frozen thoroughly. According to the instructions, I'm supposed to dip it in hot water or run it under hot water to loosen it from the mold. Here I have a bowl of hot water that I'm going to dip everything into. Hopefully the mold will slide right off the popsicle. The first one I'm going to do is the strawberry milkshake. So after heating up the sides, it just slid right on out. The next one I'm going to do is the V8 Splash Tropical Colada Smoothie. Just going to hold it in there for a few seconds till the plastic gets warm. So then I just wiggle it a little and it pulls right on out. Next I'm going to do the yogurt. So I heated it up for about 10 seconds, give it a little wiggle, and pull it right on out. Since the yogurt was real thick, it left a little bit of air pockets in the middle, but that's no problem. Homemade frozen yogurt, that's a way to save money. The last one is the Oreos Cookies and Cream Pudding. Wiggle it and it pulls right on out. Overall, it's a great product to have. It's a fun way and a healthy way to make your own popsicles. I acquired this popsicle mold kit at a discount for reviewing in order to give my honest, unbiased opinion. I almost forgot. Another great thing about this is that the handle also makes a great drip tray.